Hi everyone! Today I would like to invite you to my lovely kitchen and make the vegetarian versions of these popular Vietnamese dishes such as Bánh Bèo, Bánh Xèo, Bánh Cuốn and Bánh Canh. I'm sure you will fall for them instantly. Let's begin. The first dish is the colorful and tasty vegetarian Vietnamese steamed rice cake. Combine the fresh shiitake and straw mushrooms in a food processor and place away. Finely chop the carrots and transfer into a pan and pan fry with a little bit of oil. Keep stirring over low heat until the carrot turn dry and loose. Transfer into a bowl. Next, saute the minced leek and add the ground mushrooms and stir well. Season with salt and stock powder. Stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mushrooms are fully cooked and then transfer to a cup. Next, soak half a cup of peeled split mung beans in water for 1 hour. Then cook with half a cup of water under low heat for about 15 minutes until soft. Then add 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and cook on low until the beans absorb the rich coconut milk. Then blend until smooth. For the sauce, you will need 1 cup of fresh coconut juice, 2 teaspoons sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon soy sauce for some color, and a teaspoon of lime juice. Stir until dissolved and then add the julienne carrots and radish with some sliced green peppers. Arrange the steamed rice cakes on a plate and apply the fried leek oil and then spread some green bean paste and then add mushroom, carrots and sprinkle with peanuts and crispy breadcrumbs. Drizzle the sauce over and enjoy! What a great flavor compound for such a delicious and traditional rice cake. Let's make some bánh cuốn chay or vegan Vietnamese rice rolls next. Soak julienne mushrooms in water until softened and then julienne the carrot and jicama. Then heat 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a saucepan and fry the minced leek until fragrant and golden brown. Transfer to a bowl and keep a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Then add the mushrooms, carrots and jicama and toss well. Then add some fried tofu strips and season with salt, stock powder and soy sauce. Saute over high heat until the vegetables is done but still maintain the crunchiness. Lay out the rice sheets and then add the fillings and roll it up. Cut into pieces like sushi to reveal the beautiful fillings inside. Serve with a drizzle of fried leek oil, some julienne, cucumber, blanched bean sprouts, and some fresh greens of your choice. Use the same sauce as the previous recipe and enjoy! Fans of Bánh Xèo definitely cannot miss these crepes with mushrooms. In a large mixing bowl, combine 400 grams of rice flour with 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder and teaspoon of salt. Add 750 ml of water and stir well. Also add some chopped green leek. Let sit for about 30 minutes to reduce the strong flour smell. Make sure the batter is thin like this, so the crepes gonna be crispy later. For larger mushrooms such as button, shiitake or king oyster, cut into slices. For smaller ones like enoki, just separate them. Soak the mushrooms in salted water, rinse well and then drain. Next, fry some minced leek until fragrant and then add the mushrooms. Season with salt, stock powder and soy sauce to taste. The enoki mushroom can release quite a lot of juice, so you can add some fried tofu to absorb the juice. To make bánh xèo, you should use a pan with very thick bottom, preferably a cast iron pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil, so the cake will turn crispy quickly. Wait for the pan and the oil get smokingly hot, then pour the mixture to hear the sizzling sound. Tilt the pan gently to allow the mixture to fully fill the bottom of the pan. Then top with the sauteed mushrooms and the mung bean sprouts, and then cover the lid. When the crepes turn crispy and golden, fold it and then fry it for another 30 seconds uncovered. Wrap in a mustard leaf and serve with some light dipping sauce. One more dish which is also called bánh in Vietnamese but served in a bowl, that is Bánh Canh or Vietnamese thick noodle soup. Cut the vegetables like carrots, radish and corn into cubes. Then cook in a pot of about 4 liters of water with a teaspoon of salt for about 1 hour to make the vegetable stock. Boil the thick udon noodle with some oil to prevent sticking and then remove and rinse under cold water. Peel and thinly slice the spawn gouge. Fry some minced leek until fragrant and add the mushroom. Then add the spawn gouge and the fried tofu. Place the noodles in a bowl and pour the stir fry on top, then add the vegetable broth and finish with some coriander and annatto oil. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more vegan recipes to come. Thank you for watching. Bye!